everyone. We've been getting a lot of requests on how to cut your bangs. So we're going to do a series of 4 videos on how to cut your bangs. It's going to take you from this, which is a long bang that comes almost all the way down to her length of her hair, to this. At the end, you'll have short, right above the eye bang. For those that want their to come up, they wear theirs mostly straight and they want it to stay straight but you still like a slant. We're gonna do it. Point your finger right in between your eyebrows, right in between your eyebrows, right here, and then you're going to slant like that, like an angle, just like this. And then you're going to turn your hand around. Thanks for watching our videos. We miss you during quarantine, and we thank you for being loyal, and we can't wait to see you again. Thanks for watching.